Welcome, I'm Larissa, and in this video, I'll show you how to use grade reports. As a reminder, grade reports use the data recorded in grade records within Spark. To learn about how to create grade records and record your grades there, see our other tutorial videos or read our help docs. Grade reports let you pull together student grades into a polished summary that can be printed, downloaded, or shared directly with guardians through their portal. To create a grade report, I'll navigate to the Grades section found in both the homeschool and microschool versions of Spark. In the microschool version, it's found on the teacher side of the navigation. Once in Grades, I'll go to Reports. I'll choose the type of report I want to create. We'll be adding more types, including transcripts, in the near future. Once I've selected my report type, I'll select the data that needs pulled into it. I'll do this by first selecting the term and then the grade books. I can view archived terms and grade books by clicking View More in the drop-down. I can select more than one grade book to include in my report. The grade records included in my selected gradebooks will appear to the right, and I can skip those that I don't want included in my report. If needed, I can filter to certain dates or to certain students. Once my source data is selected, I'll go to the View Options section and make sure my report includes all of the information I want to include. Then I'll go to the Header section. This is where I can add my school name and contact information. I can also name my report here. The logo included on my report will be that I added in my school settings section. Be sure to check the preview of the report and make sure everything is correct. Once my report is created, I have several options of what I can do with it. I can download it, or print it, or save it to my Spark platform. When saving it, I can also post it to the guardians of the students in the report. Guardians will only see the grade reports for their students. When sharing it with guardians, it will be posted to their portals. I can also send them an email notifying them that the reports have been posted. I can see a preview of what each guardian will view in the report. And I can also send a test email to myself. Each report in Spark is essentially a snapshot of the grades at the time it was created. If I want to update a report later, I can go back to the main report page and click on the report. I'll click Update or Change Snapshot Data, and then click Update with New Data. This refreshes the report, so guardians will see the most current version if it was posted to their portal. As an FYI, if you're on the main reports page and you can't find the report you saved, make sure the correct term is selected. That concludes the video on creating grade reports. If you have any questions, please email us by clicking the Contact Us button. Have a great day.